Here are 5 jaw-dropping facts about AI vocal removers. Number 1. AI tools like Laylo.ai and Moises can isolate vocals from any song with over 90% accuracy, making it easier than ever to create instrumental tracks. Number 2. These vocal removers are transforming how creators work. For example, DJs are using them to remix tracks and YouTubers are using them to avoid copyright strikes. Number 3. AI uses neural networks and stem separation algorithms to break down songs into parts, like vocals, drums and bass, making edits precise. Number 4. It's not perfect. Some vocals mix with instruments, making it hard to remove all sounds without distortion. Number 5. AI is helping many people clone voices and even remix isolated vocals into entirely new tracks. What's your favorite AI tool? Let us know in the comments.